We've hit our alarm because we were a little bit scared, because apparently you've been trying to get inside when we don't want you inside.
Who, you were scared or they were scared?
They were scared apparently, so we pressed the alarm.
Yeah. Well, look inside the HQ. Wow. That's quite fancy head office, eh? Damn.
Stop filming me, I don't give you permission.
Do you know?
You're on private land.
You just walked over to a man with a camera. I would not touch my camera, love.
I'm not touching your camera.
I would not touch my camera.
I'm not touching it, I'm covering the video.
Pardon?
You're on private land.
You're literally covering my video though, are you?
You're on private land. The police have been called. We don't want any issues, so we're giving you the opportunity to leave our private land because you're trespassing.
Pardon?
You recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording everything.
Could you just take me after? You're going to be keeping drone up or?
Well, I did want to go and get a drone shot, yeah. But obviously I noticed when I sent the drone up, I noticed the blues and twos down at the bottom.
As long as it's not a restricted airspace or whatever, you enjoy your civil
Yep, it's not restricted whatsoever, no. Alright guys, Auditing Lancashire here, so we're going to be doing the ISA Brothers HQ Part 2. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see, them gates are locked there. Them gates are locked. So we're going to walk through these gates right here. But this has actually got an extra story which was not in the planning permission. But yeah, they got away with it. Look at that. Little waterfall features. Yeah, nice waterfall features there. So let's go and take a look around the back section. It's some kind of buggy thing there. Staff smoking sheds. Let's go and see if that trip hazard's still around here from last time that we came round. So last time we come round here, there was a trip hazard. Literally right here. Look at that. Trip hazard is still there. Easily fall over them. Look at that. You see guys? We're actually somebody following us. But they've gone. They've got the reservoir just there in the background. Some nice pillow things up in it. It's a bit rainy today, as you can see. Look at that. Shot. Got a nice little capture of the waterfall. Water fountains. That goes all the way down the sides and everything, guys. Smart that, innit? Yeah, you can see reservoir down there. Nice little path and stroll to walk around whilst they're on the break. This rain's getting a little bit worse for wear here. Trying to stay. I'm trying to stay out of the rain. Right there, chap.
You're recording anything?
Pardon?
You recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording everything.
Could you just take me out of it?
Pardon?
Could you take me out of it?
Out of it?
Please, yeah.
Right, no worries. I can blank your face.
Sorry?
I can blank your face.
That's fine.
No worries.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, inside this building there's actually a prayer room. Chanting bit there, but you can't see him. You can't see him because of the. You can't see him because obviously they've got that glass where you can see out and they can see. You can see out, they can see in. Just over there, you've got the ISA Brothers EG offices. A little clean there. You've got you've got the ISA Brothers EG offices. Their old head office was over there, and believe it or not, they have even got a road named after them. You know, they've got a road actually named after the guys. What the hell? Special needs or what? HQ. Look at that. Look inside the Reservoir HQ. Wow. That's quite fancy head office, eh? Damn. I might have somebody here. It's a big building, not to be honest.
That's me, alright?
Oh, there, not too bad.
What's the vlog for?
Pardon?
What's the vlog for?
Just for myself.
Where's you know?
Yeah, man.
For YouTube?
Yeah, that's the one.
What's your YouTube? Put me in it, put me in it!
Sweet.
Huh?
I said sweet. Hello? You alright?
Yeah. Stop filming me, I don't give you permission.
Do you not?
You're on private land.
So you just walked over to a man with a camera.
Do you not?
I would not touch my camera, love.
I'm not touching your
I
camera.
would
I'm
not touch my camera.
I'm not touching it. I'm covering the video.
Pardon?
You're on private land.
You're not literally covering my video though, are you?
You're on private land. The police have been called. We don't want any issues, so we're giving you the opportunity to leave our private land because you're trespassing.
I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are.
Well, can you clarify? Can you
No,
identify
no.
yourself? No. Well, you could be a normal member of the public, so on your way then. You can't tell me what to do.
Right, well, leave it to the police and I gave you the opportunity.
Well, I've asked you who you are.
I gave you the opportunity.
You've not given me no opportunity to say. I've asked you who you are. You've not clarified who you are. You could just be a normal member of civilian. And what's that? Are you security?
My security pass, so I'll just leave it to the police.
Right, so you are security, so why didn't you say that in the first place, eh? Instead of being a Karen about it.
I'm not the one that's the Karen, love.
Oh, you're not? Well, are you SIA licensed? Are you SIA licensed, yeah? I would like to see that badge because I want to put a complaint in about you.
I've told them the police are on the way, and I've given him the opportunity to leave without any hassle, but he seems to be wanting to be abusing me.
I'm not abusing nobody, love. I've not said a word to you.
Don't call me love.
Or else what?
Misogynist.
Or else what, love?
Misogynist.
Or else what, love? Go on, Karen. Sin a bit, Karen. And call the police all you want, Karen.
Mate.
I'll do, pal. Angry Karen. It looks like we got some 5-0s coming. She said they've rung the police. I can hear sirens in the background. I can hear quite a few. Oh, ambulance had actually. Look at that. Yeah, angry Karen there at the Icy Brothers HQ. Saying that she's asked me to leave. She didn't exactly tell us who she were until she was walking off, barking her orders. You know. So we'll have a word around for the police.
You alright? Hello, you alright? Could we help you? Could we help you? Hello?
Takeoff. Home point updated. Landing.
Oh yeah, how can I help you, officer?
What are you up to?
I've just come to film the HQ today.
Okay.
Just having a film around, that's all. Nothing malicious or anything like that.
Been told that you've been trying to get into the front, is that right?
No, I've not tried getting into the building, no.
Right.
It's all on my video and stuff like that, from
got your
start to
video?
finish. I do.
Can I have a quick look at it?
I don't have to show you that.
Okay. Just helps me.
No, I understand that, but that's for your job to do, not mine. You know.
No, of course, but it makes it easier, doesn't it? If you've got a video of it. We can
No, yeah,
discount
that's
no offensive
that's
or
totally understandable. But there's no offences committed here, officer. And even if I was to walk into the public reception, it's got a reception bit. When asked to leave,
Yeah.
walk out the building. Not a problem, officer.
no problems.
You know
You got in there?
what?
That there.
What this? It's a deadly weapon, officer. What does it look? What does it look like?
Oh, I don't know.
What?
I don't know what it is.
Have you never seen a gimbal?
Oh, right, for your phone.
Yeah. To help with shaky phone screens.
Okay.
Huh.
You're not going to give me details, are you?
Pardon?
You're not going to give me details, are you?
You know I'm not going to give you my details, officer.
I think so. Right, well, we've hit our alarm because we're a little bit scared. Because apparently you've been trying to get inside when we don't want you inside.
Who, you were scared or they were scared?
They were scared apparently, so they
Oh,
pressed
gonna-
the alarm.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I wondered what that alarm thing were. Yeah, I did hear an alarm. I did, like I said, you see the spinning doors?
Yeah.
They've got spinning doors.
Yeah.
I went around the spinning door. They told me, no recording in here, get out. I left straight away.
right, fair enough.
No hassle intended. I walked down that side, you know,
Yeah.
and then a lady came out. She was asking me what I was doing, so I questioned who she was. She didn't tell me at first. She went, well, I've rung the police and they are going to be coming, blah 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 blah. I went, well, if you clarify who you are. She went, well, I've asked you to leave. I went, are you security? And she went, what's this? So then I asked her, well, I can clearly see your badge now.
Right.
So and then I knew she was security, you know, and then she asked me to leave and I left. No
Right.
problem, no problems caused. No
Fair
incident.
enough. What's your plan now then?
Oh, I don't know.
You're going to be keeping drone up or?
Well, I did want to go and get a drone shot, yeah. But obviously I noticed when I sent the drone up, I noticed the blues and twos down at the bottom.
As long as it's not a
So yeah.
restricted airspace or whatever, you
It's,
enjoy your
yep,
civil
yep, it's
aviation.
not restricted whatsoever. No, the only restrictions around here is the TA, the Territorial Army Barracks.
Right.
So obviously you won't send a drone over there. I've not done no army barracks. I've never done an army barracks, but yeah.
We just suggest.
I always check I always check on the map, make sure there's no restrictions or anything like that.
Okay.
The drone assist.
Well, to avoid any more to-dos, if you just stay out on public road like you're doing now, mate, you can do
Yeah.
whatever you want with your drone and
Yeah,
I'm happy with that.
yeah, no, that's not a problem. Yeah,
Right, leave it to it.
no worries, officer. Oh, pardon, excuse me, constable. Since you engaged with me, please can I have your collar number?
6006.
Not a problem. Did you ask for my name?
I did.
You did. Can I have your name, please?
My name's Edwards. 6006.
Not a problem. It's only because you asked for my name. If you didn't ask for my name, I wouldn't have asked you. No worries. So yeah, the security woman has actually rung the police. The police have come on blues and twos. They said they was alarmed, which they've triggered an alarm off and made these guys come out on blues and twos on an emergency response. If we take a little bit look down here, we're going to stay off the property, but if we take a little look down here, we can see the flashing blues and twos. So what we're going to do, we're going to get that drone back up now. We're going to get the drone back up.
Takeoff. Home point updated. Landing.
who set the alarm, literally set the alarm, and were panicking for their own fears and safeties and whatever, because there's a man with a camera stood outside on a drone. Wow, guys. But yeah, they rung the police. Police come on the blues and twos, emergency response. Had a quick talk, said I'm happy to film. There's the building right there behind us, not going back in. Police are gone, you know, they went out the other way. So we're going to leave it at that, guys. I'll move on to the next one. Auditing Lancashire over and out. Until next time, people. Until the next one.